we're like 7 seconds away. Around 7 seconds start in the video, he immediately said it again. Carl, this is why he's so, oh my, I can't. Hello everyone, my name is Janjee, Arcinas here, and welcome another episode of Jay's Reaction. Today's episode, guys, we're reacting to WHEEZER'S Savage compilation in today's video. If you guys don't know him, or you guys really should know this for a long time, WHEEZER is from the show called from Nickelodeon's The Venture of Jimmy Neutron, a Boy Genius. You may know that show. I used to watch that show for a long time when I was a kid, and even though I still like it, but even though they have so many memes, there's so many memes of this show before a while ago, even though I'm not sure if people are still using that meme today. The most one I remember is WHEEZER, and I remember even today. For me, he's still one of the weirdest character I ever seen. Why? Because he has so many moments that he has like fear everything. For me, also one of the weirdest one I seen. He has a crush on Jimmy's mom. And I was like, oh, I just remember when I was a kid, I don't remember that time, even though I'm 19, I still remember to say that I didn't know. I still remember that when I was a kid. When I was a kid, I don't know anything about it. And even now, I'm adult, actually I'm 19 years old, and I can still see why Carl has a crush on Jimmy's mom, Judy. That is not okay with me, but I was like, that's kind of weird, but something like that, I don't know. Anyway, I'm not sure you're gonna see this one right now. It's gonna be a Savage compilation that he has for this show, so you can see why in this video. So if you guys want to see the original video, I'm not sure the original video will be up. So I found this on YouTube recently because I was like, you know what, let's react this of his Savage moment of WHEEZER. So yeah, it should be interesting about this video. Alright guys, and now to talk about it, let's react to this Savage moment by WHEEZER from Jimmy Neutron in today's video. Before video start, I'd like to say, if you guys are new to this channel or you guys want to see any video like this, hit the subscribe button right now, guys, and also hit the bell, notifications as well, or upgrades as well, and also leave a like as well. Anyway guys, hope you guys enjoy, and let's react this video. Alright guys, here we go, Stan, and here we go, Stan.
What do you guys want to do today?
Hang out with your mom? What? Morning to you! Good morning to you! We're all in our places, we're so yes. Are you going to finish that croissant?
What?
Knock yourself out.
What the croissant? Okay.
I don't feel so good.
What do you mean? Oh my gosh. Oh my god, no. I remember that he stopped when he's do that. Okay, let's hear that again. Yeah, that's here. I think that people used to that meme before. Oh my gosh. I just remember the time. I remember a couple months ago, I still don't, who's that sound? I didn't know was Carl did that sound, and I was like, oh my gosh. Alright, so yeah, let's continue about this. I don't know what's gonna happen in this one. Alright, let's go. What's this? Is it? Oh wow, he breaks the window. Oh no. Oh no, not this one. No. No, I'm done. No.
What we have is beautiful and you can't destroy it!
This is why he's so weird.
What dunderhead would want to talk to a bunch of stupid fish?
I want to talk to fish! I want to talk to fish! Give me that.
Oh no.
Okay, you little fella. Hi. Do you like fish snackums? They're made from fish like you, only cut up into little bite-sized pieces and deep fried in burning oil. The squid
Oh my god.
is a cup full of boogers. Okay, well,
What?
you better apply more sunblock.
What?
It's SPF 50. Says for fair to albino skin. Wow.
Oh my god.
Usually when I get on these kind of rides, I get real smart.
Oh no, 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 no. No. Oh, that's so gross. Ew.
Jimmy, if you just asked me, I'd have lent you some stupid-looking clothes. Do you
Hey,
just
what
think,
the hell?
You know, sometimes in the right light,
Okay.
this foul looks kind of. No way, Sheen.
Hmm.
You're not as big a fan of Jimmy's dad as I am.
Are you kidding me? I just remember. Oh my god. He said, oh my god. Now he said it. Now Carl said to Jimmy's dad. He said, I'm not a fan of it. See, this is why I just don't want to see his face. Because every time. Okay, to be honest with you guys, every time. If I'm not sure. I just don't know how to say whether like Carl is having a weird moments like he has. Including Jimmy's mom and Jimmy's. Oh my god. I saw I just don't know if I want to see this more because if I seen out loud more video videos, it's just like I don't understand, man. It just doesn't make sense. Like I just remember that Carl is such a weird. That's why he's so weird in this show. It doesn't make sense, but come on, it's just like that. I feel like Carl. I don't think that Carl has before that he has tension with his Jimmy's family. I don't know, man. Just don't know, man.
Oh yeah. What's his favorite color?
Hmm.
It's pie.
Smell of bread.
Wow.
Oh, is that what that is? I
Hmm.
thought it might be the cheese ball I've been carrying around since I was 3.
Ew. Ew. Oh.
Okay, on the downbeat. Now when I first came to the Cretaceous era, I experienced fright and terror. And then I met a friend who helped me to survive. His
What is he wearing it?
born alive. Hey-oh, aha! Hey, 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 hey-oh. Yeah, for once and probably the only time in my life, I'm a wiener. I mean, winner. See how it is?
He said wiener. Oh shoot. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. He said that. You mean he said that? Oh my god, he said winner instead of said that? He said a winner instead of oh my god. So this is why you're getting weird. But it's not I don't think this is not savage, but I think this is why this is getting moments that he has. I don't understand this. This is why getting so much. A lot of stuff of Carl Weezer moments that he has. I just don't understand. Oh my gosh.
Oh, what are you?
Hmm.
Just some prune whip from your lab.
Carl, there wasn't any prune whip. That's my experimental truth-telling serum.
Oh, Jimmy, that's ridiculous. I stole Jimmy's toast the other day. Sometimes I dream about girls.
Maybe we better go.
I don't think
Oh, no.
Ultra Lord exists.
I don't want to hear it.
Yeah, I don't want to hear it.
I just
I don't want to
I
hear
want
it.
to talk to you about my deep concern for
Hmm.
llamas. Did you know they're an endangered species? No! My first order of business is llama protection. Do I have your vote?
You got it. Ow! The pin went inside me. You accidentally left $1.
What?
In my hand.
Keep it.
Why?
I think you know why.
What?
I don't. Why are you winking at me? Why did you give me $1? My brain hurts.
Hmm.
What?
Sheen, I won't allow Miss
Carl loves llama.
No way. We're the 3 amigops.
The 3 amigops?
Yeah, well, you see, I was making us name tags, and I accidentally added.
Wow. What the hell was that?
Let's stay up all night and tell scary stories, and then we can share our most personal thoughts. And
I thought he's scared of stories.
Slap, slap, slap. Clap,
Okay.
clap, clap. Goodbye, Moon. I'll see you next June. 'Cause I'm looking for a
Oh
soon.
my god.
Enough with the song.
I hope this travel sickness pill starts to work soon.
Favorite is the haunting mating call of the humpback whale. Very good, Carl.
Oh my god. What the hell was that? It doesn't make sense, but Alright guys, so that is the video. But we have one more there's one more video to tell you this. There's part 2 of Carl Weezer Savage compilation. So it's only 3 minutes away. So let's react this one more video. So this is gonna be the second time in this episode we're reacting to videos. So it should be interesting about it. Alright, so let's react into this video. Part 2. Let's go.
Guess they really are in love.
Yeah, she's beautiful and gorgeous.
Why do I must?
Yeah, she's almost as pretty as your mother.
We're like 7 seconds away. Around 7 seconds start in the video. He immediately said it again. Carl, this is why he's so. Oh my. I can't. He said it again. This is why he loves Jimmy's mom, Judy. Oh my god. Is this. Oh my god, he's such a. I don't know how to say the word. I think I know what word, but I'm not gonna say it in the video because I know everyone's gonna want to say it, but I hate to say that word because I know it's like basically the boys just love girls. Oh my gosh, this is honestly, I'm sorry everyone. This is so weird. This is why 7 seconds to start the video, part 2, and he already said it like, wow, good job, Carl. You're still dumb anyway.
We're spies, we're three guys. We don't have eyes, but we're spies.
My
Yep.
plan's better than yours. It's not.
Stop it! Can't you see your constant fighting is tearing us all apart?
What?
I have to share a blooming dressing room with you two blokes.
Carl, why are you talking like that?
Yeah.
No. Please
Why is it-
refer all inquiries to me image consultant.
Yes. No.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Big color shoot coming up.
What the hell? Oh my god. Oh my god. Is
This
he
is
said
all
again to G?
Carl
Oh my
plan.
god.
Pretty sweet, huh? This weather is perfect for big-boned people like me, and soon the hunters will move on. Then we of the Carl clan will emerge from our long sleep, and the land will belong to the hefty. That's why I'm bulking up on carbs, because I'll have to feed off the extra weight until the spring. And when I emerge, I will be fit, strong, and my sunburn will be gone. Whew. Does anyone have a scented towelette?
Oh my gosh.
Wow! I can do something!
Sparkling drum. That's interesting.
Hey, Jimmy! Some friendly monks found us.
Oh my god. He's out with llama.
Master of the llamas. I'm master of the llamas.
Stop singing. That's so annoying.
I've never been to the Bahamas.
Is everybody all right?
Jimmy, I got sand in a very uncomfortable place. Hey, Jimmy, somebody wrote on the walls. They're gonna get in trouble.
Oh my gosh.
Carl Weezer, you cannot be in the play if we can't hear you. It's not my fault!
I didn't even want to do this. My mom forced me. She said it would be good for my self-esteem.
Ladies and gentlemen, we found our first witch.
Hey, Jimmy.
What?
There's a question I've always wanted to ask you.
What?
How come whenever we're in outer space, we don't gotta wear helmets?
Good question, Sheen. And the answer is quite interesting. You see,
Moon, 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 spoon, spoon, spoon. June, June, June. Spittoon, spittoon, spittoon.
Huh, really?
Oh.
And how come we don't need oxygen tanks and stuff?
Oh.
Star, star, star. You're so far, far, far. Can't go by car.
Fascinating. And so, Jimmy, how come it takes astronauts days to go to and from the moon, but it only takes us a few minutes?
that's another good question. You see, it all has to do.
Goodbye, moon. I'll see you next June. Cause I'm looking for a soon.
Oh, the singing.
Hi, Nissa. Go on in. Brown shoes with a black belt? I think not. Try the diner down the block.
Oh jeez.
Stop the world! I want to get home! There can be no masks between us, Judy.
Oh my god. No. No. Okay. What the hell, man? What? Alright guys, so that is the video. Two parts actually. So that is Carl Weezer's Savage compilation. I'm not sure if this is Savage or this is not. So please tell me in the comments below if it's Savage or not in this video. So yeah, what do you think of this video? I think that's I'll be honest with you guys. To be honest, I'm never gonna see his character again because he's such a weirdest character he ever has. But I'm serious, guys. Just oh my god, I have nowhere to say. This is just yeah. Alright guys, so that is the episode of Janjee's reacting to Carl Weezer's Savage compilation part 1 and part 2. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. So make sure to like this video. This is over here. Like the video right here. Boom! Go ahead, like that button. And also guys, subscribe to my channel, and also everybody, hit the button notifications for our videos as well. So anyway guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys then, and also peace out people. Alright, see you guys then guys. Bye!